Kain tayong lugaw. Ito ang aking lugaw. Ako po ang nagluto nito for my family. Almusal namin for today. Masarap talaga pag mainit. Kakainin mo na habang mainit pa. Sarap! It feels so refreshing to my tummy, to my heart, and to myself. Kain pa tayo. Have a blessed morning, everyone. Yummy. Tamang-tama lang yung lasa.